What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this morning I'm doing a little vlog with Ren. So you go walk her out. So a long time I should not walk out, so I just walk her out and just do a tour. I mean, like her country. Yeah, so let's go, guys. I'm just walking out my home. So yes, most of you are wondering who is Ren. Ren is my daughter. So the name Lati and Ren is my daughter. So I'm just gonna do more video with her. So she's 5 months old. 2 days ago she's 5 months old. So I was just walking, just take her down like gate and things. So in our face, Ren, 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 Ren. You not vex with me? You vex with me? So me I walk, me show na look with my bush, sit a country girl. But me look a princess. So you would know banana tree. Banana tree, this is honey banana. Honey banana. My banana. Oh my god, it's a brand new mamita. Ouch. And dashing. I mean have it wrong. Dashing. Who don't know dashing? Dashing. So to more of my country vlog. So I'm just a walk out. Anytime rainy, guys, because rain fall every day, I don't know, because there's a storm out. So rain fall not almost every day rain fall. See time bleaky, look at sun, nice sky. Alright. Hi. Sunny, nice sky. So we're just walking. So just a walk. With rain. Yes, guys. That's what our country by look. So on the river. So the river. So this is how our river look. River come down and the water dirty. And then I might jump off fire so. Hey everybody. Our river. And the next spot over there so. See the next spot. So bush. See the country. Country. Yes guys, so I'm not really going up too much. I think I'm gonna turn back here. I'm turning back. So guys, may remember us become I have flu. I'm gonna want to run and catch my flu. So yep. She just relax. I'll take care of the crack. Right in. So yeah, this is my first one. Weird. Maybe nice. Ooh. 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 So we finally meet my daughter. Ren! She just started getting miserable. So we need to let me turn back. Oh, sorry. Ren, she don't want to see me stop driving, or she just want me drive. Galang, galang, galang. Watch. You see that? You see that? She don't want me stop drive, she just want me to drive along. Like she want to sleep. Hey, Coolie. See her here. Baby.
You bore me ears,
Oh, I don't bore her ears, Coolie.
yesterday.
Eh?
Me no ball in
Where you go, Sam?
Yeah.
That's nice. You look pretty.
Baby. Baby.
Baby, see Coolie, I call you. Alright, Coolie. So I turned back. Time look bleaky. Not rain so far. I'm not rain tipping on the road, so I go home back with me Puntina. Even though I make an umbrella, but the camera is an umbrella right now. So I'm turning back, going home. Ren! 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 So, look at Carol. So, I get back to the room and I take some fun breeze. Asha, you see how she bad? You see how she bad? I think something should go on. You see how she quiet on the attack? And then something should go on with it. She go on with beatings. So I just need to take some fun breeze because I'm not telling me hot. So guys, this is the end of my vlog. I hope you all like it. The reason why I'm wearing my mask, I speak early. I don't know if you hear me clearly. It's because I have a flu and I don't want Red to catch my flu. So I'm cover up my nose. No nose.